Hello, today we will guide you through how to stop Zoom from going full screen. If Zoom keeps taking over your screen when you join or share in a meeting, this quick setting change can make the app much more comfortable to use. We'll walk through exactly where to find the option so Zoom stays at its current window size instead of automatically expanding to full screen. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're in the main Zoom window where you can access your account options and general settings. If Zoom opens directly into a meeting, you may need to leave the meeting or return to the home screen first so you can reach the settings area more easily. Once the app is open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Zoom keeps most of its display, audio, video, and meeting behavior preferences. Opening Settings is the key first step because the full screen behavior is controlled from inside Zoom's preferences rather than from the meeting window itself. After the Settings menu opens, find and click on Share Screen. This section includes options that affect how Zoom behaves when content is being shared, including how the meeting window is displayed on your screen. Even though the issue may seem like a general display problem, the setting you need is located specifically in this Share Screen area. Now in the Share Screen settings, click on Maintain Current Size. This tells Zoom to keep the window at its existing size instead of switching into full screen mode automatically. Once this is selected, the change should apply right away, so you usually won't need to restart the app. If you want to confirm that the update worked, you can start or join a meeting and see whether Zoom remains in a normal window. This can be especially helpful if you like multitasking, keeping other apps visible, or avoiding the distraction of a full screen switch during calls or screen sharing. That's all it takes. Open Zoom, go to Settings, select its Share Screen, and choose Maintain Current Size. With this option turned on, Zoom should behave in a more controlled way and stay easier to manage during meetings. Thanks for following along, and that's how to stop Zoom from going full screen.